Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do plagiarism checking in the Google Docs. So if you want to make sure your content is original and plagiarism free, Google Docs has built-in tools and third-party extensions that will help you check for copied content easily. So the first method, if you are using Google Workspace, you can use Google Docs built-in plagiarism checker. So if you have a Google Workspace for Education account, you can use the Google Docs originality report to check for plagiarism. So you can just open the Google document and tap on Tools at the top. Go to the Spelling and Grammar, and in here, if you're on the Google Workspace, there will be this option called uh, check originality report in here. Sorry, in here on the list, and it's only available in Google Workspace for Education. And after that, Google will scan the document and highlight the plagiarized tags. And if plagiarism is detected, rewrite or cite the sources properly. So this feature only available for Google Workspace for Education users. And the second method, you can also use Google search for manual plagiarism check. You can copy a few sentences from your documents. For example, in here, I'm going to copy this, and then you can just open the Google search and paste the text inside the quotation mark like this, and press on enter and check if the same text appear on other websites. So as you guys can see, there's no other results in here, so there's no plagiarism. But if similar content appears, you can rewrite or cite the source to avoid plagiarism. And the next method, you can also use third-party plagiarism checkers. There are also the free version and paid, because since Google doesn't have a built-in plagiarism checker for our users, you can use trusted external tools like Grammarly. It will check for grammar, plagiarism, and readability. So I already use one actually here. This is the Grammarly. You can also rewrite it with Grammarly, and it is free. You can also use Quillbolt Plagiarism Checker. It will scan tags for duplicate content. Or there's also a free online plagiarism checker called Small SEO Tools. So in conclusion, to check for plagiarism in Google Docs is pretty easy. You can use Google's built-in originality reports or external tools. But if you don't have a Google Workspace account, you can still use Google search or free online checkers to verify originality. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.